Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you guys decided to stop by today. I have an exciting unboxing for you guys today. This is from AliExpress and I am so excited. So this purchase is not really like an impulse purchase, but kind of like an impulse purchase. So I was watching a video and I saw this bag, but I saw the real bag and I was really excited because it looked so me. Like, this is a total Holly bag. And I went onto the website and I looked it up and I could justify spending, I don't know. Can you really ever justify spending money on a bag you don't really need, but you do really need? I guess, I don't know. I really wanted this bag. I didn't really want to spend the price of the actual designer's bag, but it seemed like a very practical, wear all year, very practical bag, I guess. So I went on to AliExpress and I've purchased items off of AliExpress before, but I've never purchased like bags or anything kind of like knockoff or anything. I've always purchased like jewelry and stationery items and phone cases and those kinds of things. So this is like my first designer inspired AliExpress purchase. So we're gonna go through this together. This is so exciting. It actually came really quickly. And I'm super excited to get into this bag. So without further ado, let's get into it. If you're not this is not a knockoff, like dupe, replica. This is an inspired, it does not have the designer's name on it, I believe. I could be wrong, but let's get into this. Do you see this? I really love this. This is inspired by sorry for all the crinkling noises, the Marc Jacobs The Tote Bag. I saw this bag and I was like, that is so practical. This, I don't know if this is the mini. Let me get it out of this noisy paper. Okay. I don't know if this is the mini or the, because I don't know. But I do know these bags retail for, okay, so far I'm really liking it. It has the tote bag here. On the real one, it would say Marc Jacobs right here. And on the back, there would be a little patch that says like Marc Jacobs somewhere. So, this is the top. I'm really liking this so far. Let's see how the zipper works. So you have this tail that comes around here like this. There's no loose threads. This stitching looks really nice. Okay, there's one loose thread here, but that's not anything that a pair of scissors can't fix. Yeah, I'm really liking this. This is going to be perfect. So I needed something that I could like carry books in my planner in for like on the go with the boys for school. So, but that was still cute, like not a total like, I don't know, like geeky mom bag. Okay, yay, okay. So the zipper, really smooth. Not as smooth as Kipling, even though it is like a sports zipper. It's not like a Kipling. And you can leave this open like a real tote and just not have your tail hang over, and it can just stay in there. See how the sides fold down? So cute. You have a D-ring right here. You have a D-ring right here. And then on this side, you have your zippered little, let me flop that out. you have your little loose pocket here, which here, that might be an easier way for me to show you. So you have your a slip pocket here, a slip pocket here, and a zipper pocket here. Yay! And that's a really good size. I'm really, really happy with this. And then it does come with a black strap. Yes, I'm really loving this, you guys. There's nothing in here that indicates there would be like a Marc Jacobs patch. There's nothing in here that indicates that it's Marc Jacobs, so that makes me really happy. This is just a little made in China tag because it literally was made in China and came here. So this is so cute. The tote bag, let's see. I mean, this is just a regular seatbelt nylon webbing strap here. Seems like good quality. And you, let's see, just hook it on and hook it on. So how does that work though with the, I guess that would just go out the side. I don't know. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. Yes, you guys, I'm really liking this. The real Marc Jacobs one is like between 150 and 195. The reason why I say between is because I'm not exactly sure what size this is. Now that I have it, I can measure it. I can measure it for you guys and put the measurements in the description box. It has a hard bottom. But the fun thing I liked about this was that, so Marc Jacobs makes these little patches, like initial patches, kind of like the Stony Clover makes patches, like initials, and they're like Sherpa. I could totally iron them on here, or everyone knows I'm a Disney geek, so I could even put like my Disney patches on here. And pins or whatever. And I love it because it's not an actual knockoff. It's just a designer inspired, because there is no Marc Jacobs right here or here. Now, if you wanted to, I guess you could go use your Cricut and make a Marc Jacobs or make a little patch. Not my thing. First of all, I don't have a Cricut, so, but yes, I'm really excited. If you want to, I'll try to, I don't think I can, if you want this, you can direct message me on Instagram, and I will give you the information on the seller, because YouTube is like super strict, and I don't know if this would be considered a dupe because it doesn't have the name, but yeah, it's super cute. I keep saying that, super cute, but it really is. And it's good quality canvas. Like, I paid $24, I think, for this. The stitching is all really nice. Yeah, I really like it, you guys. So if you want any of that information, just direct message me on Instagram, blessedmama_4, I think. I'll put my handle in the description box below. But yeah, I'm looking forward to doing a packing video. I might pack it up as a purse and then do a packing of actually how I will be carrying it with like my school stuff for the boys, like a little mobile office kind of thing. I'm thinking that's how I'm going to use this, but yeah, so I'm super excited. So thank you guys for watching, and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you get notified every time that I upload a video, so you don't miss the packing video of this beautiful little thing. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.